Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.
Hey everybody, so today I just wanted to share a open source tool I've put together in LabVIEW just for working with GIFs. So this allows you to create GIFs from images, allows you to preview them. It allows you to take an existing GIF and preview it, or convert that GIF into like a series of image files. So you can kind of work with GIFs. This does use a couple of tools in the LabVIEW community, and a lot of the heavy lifting here is done by the G-image libraries for interacting with GIFs. But yeah, just wanted to highlight kind of what we can do with this. So this is what the application looks like. We've got light mode, dark mode. So if you're a dark mode person, it's there. This top field allows you to just drag and drop files into it, and it'll add them down here into this list. You can also go down here and manually select image by image through the dialogues. I found that to be way slower than just drag and drop. So I can demo what this looks like. So if I take this image, drop it in there, you can see it loaded our image here, and it's also added it to our list down here. And I can go in and add more images. You can see the robot took the next step. You can see it there. Now if you have a lot of images, it's going to take you a really long time to drag and drop all of those. I did make it so you can go ahead and load a directory. So let's go here, and it'll just load in all the images. So that's just a right-click menu on this. I also set it up so you can reverse the order, and you can also do a natural sort. So your images do need to be organized in some way by which it can be sorted. Yeah, you can just do it by load directory is just going to load it however it gets loaded in. You can do a natural sort here to organize those. In this instance, it's being organized by this frame and then a number. And then if you wanted to play it backwards, there's a reverse there. And that's pretty much it. You can set a scale size. So 100% being just, it's going to be the same size here. If I wanted it to be twice that size, I can set this to 200, or if I want to make it smaller. And then you have this image delay here. You can update to basically what time between each image do you want. So depending on how quickly you want the GIF to be looking more like a movie and less like a series of images, the faster you can go. And then yeah, basically just click create GIF. And we've got our GIF created. And then so you can either just go and view your GIF in whatever viewer. So I'm on Windows, so there's the kind of default photos. You can see our GIF has been created from all those images. There's also a viewer built in here. So if you just click this, it's going to ask you for a GIF, and it's going to load in your GIF, and you can play with the playback speed. So if I want a robot to run faster, slower, etc. And then also from here, I can just click Save Images, and it's going to take this GIF and save it as a series of images. So if I wanted to get from my GIF back to a series of images, or if I downloaded like some GIF off of the internet, and I wanted to be able to get images off of that GIF, just load the GIF in here and click Save Images, and it'll allow you to save that. So but yeah, that's pretty much it. This is all open source, free. You can use it as is, or you can go and modify it and make it your own, whatever you want. Just one note, some kind of incoming features that I'm about to push up to this repository as well. is the way to take images from this software using like webcams and built-in cameras on like tablets and PCs. That way you can create your images and stuff from that and create custom GIFs from those. And that does not utilize the LabVIEW vision development or vision acquisition tools. It actually integrates with the Windows camera features using like some C++ DLLs. So you don't need to license and install all of that other software, but it'll allow you to take images and stuff right from either like USB webcams or built-in cameras into your computers. So that will be pushed very shortly. It's not quite public yet, but be on the lookout if you are interested in that. And the link to the repository is in the video description. Thank you for tuning in.